Hi everyone, my name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to continue the previous video about JFoenix tutorial series. And in this section, we are going to talk about hamburger. Hamburger in this section, it's not about food hamburger. It's about hamburger icon. Okay, but before we are going to the tutorial, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my tutorial. Okay, first of all I want to say sorry for my English is not good. So if the word I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Today we are going to talk about hamburger. I don't know the real definition of hamburger in this section, so let us see on the JFoenix documentation. Okay, here we can see JFoenix includes the famous hamburger icon component and provides a sample for type of transformation that can be applied to change its shape. Okay, open your Java software. In this section I use IntelliJ IDEA and I create new project. In this section I use Java 10. Okay, and I select. Don't forget to give your project name. In this section I give project name hamburger demo. And I select finish and wait until the project is created. Okay, now our project has been created. Don't forget to import JFoenix on your JavaFX library. If you don't know how to import JFoenix on your project, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, here is our project. In this project, we have three files: main.java, controller.java, and sample.fxml. The next step is open sample.fxml in Scene Builder. Just right click and open in Scene Builder. Okay, make sure you have installed JFoenix on your Scene Builder. If you don't know how to install JFoenix on your Scene Builder, you can watch my first video, link on my video description. Okay, here is our sample.fxml file, and I don't need grid pane. Okay, today we are going to talk about JFoenix hamburger here. Okay, just drag and drop in our pane. And try to compile. Okay, nothing, just icon. Okay, the next step is we are going to connect controller to FXML file. Go to the IntelliJ IDEA and go to the sample.fxml, and here we add fx controller sample.controller. Okay. The next step is don't forget to give your JFoenix hamburger FX ID. I give name ham1, save, and go to the controller.java. And don't forget to implement initializable. And go to the scene builder and show sample controller skeleton, and just copy this code and paste here. Okay, the next step is open JFoenix documentation, and here we can see available transition: first basic close, slide close, back arrow, next arrow, and we are going to try one by one. Okay, first we are going to try basic close, hamburger basic close transition, and I give name basic close, new hamburger, and don't forget to give ham1 as the parameter, and set red to -1, add event handler, most event, most press. So when we press on the icon, it will be changes. And try to run. Okay, look like this. So amazing. Okay, the next step is we are going to try another transition: slide close, back arrow, next arrow. Okay, go to the scene builder and just duplicate 4 times. And now we have for JFX hamburger. Don't forget to change each FX ID: ham2, ham3, and the last ham4. Okay, don't forget to save and view show sample skeleton controller, and just copy, go to the controller file and paste here. Just copy this code, paste on the bottom of the first code, and change this hamburger slide close transition and change to slide close, and change the parameter. Okay, don't forget to change this hamburger slide close transition, and don't forget to give the parameter ham2, and change this to slide close. Try to compile. This is ham1 and the right side is ham2. And add another effects: hamburger back arrow, ham3, back arrow, yeah, look like this. Okay, try another. I think there is an wrong code on the ham 2. Try to run and ham 1, ham 2, basic close, slide close, back arrow, next arrow. Okay, the next step is we are going to try style on the hamburger. Okay, because I use IntelliJ IDEA community version, I don't know how to create CSS style sheet. So I just right click new and file, and in this section I give name style.css, and here we can see CSS file are supported by IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition. Because I don't have money to buy Ultimate Edition, I use community version. Okay, just copy this code and paste here, and we need to delete this icon. So go to the scene builder and select all JFXHamburger and go to the style sheet, select style.css, open and save, and now our hamburger change to the red color. Okay, and I'm sorry, save and try to compile. And we also can change FX cursor. Just copy here, okay, look like this. Our FX cursor change to hand. Okay, I think enough tutorial in this time. If you have any question or comment, just write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much, and see you again on the next video.